I actually have a dinner because it's my friend's birthday. But because I was hungry and our dinner isn't until 9:30, I just cooked something. Let's eat. It's raining. My second workplace, basically. Birthday na ni Ellen. Birthday na ni Ellen. Birthday na ni Ellen. Birthday mo pa. May-meet ko ba si Myung Ho this year?
Yeah. Ayan yung makakatulong sa'yo? Or ay, ganun lang?
Ito na yung sagot.
The tourist! Tourist ka na! Or ikaw ang turista sa Korea!
Ano ang color grading?
Bakit
Hindi
ko na. Siya, ang lamig. I am craving for kimchi na. I want to eat something spicy and something hot.
That looks divine.
Yes.
How am I feeling hungry?
I am feeling hungry too.
I'm excited.
Ano to?
Kami bunchi na
Ito, first baking workshop.
Oh my God, dili. That's
How about that one? Nagawa ko yan. Happy birthday to you.
Ako, ito na lang yung birthday.
Wow!
Uh-oh.
Wow! 60.
The kimchi.
이쪽에 이거 하나 더 놔드릴게요.
네, 알겠습니다. This time, spicy sukar. We finished everything.
I never lost where it's chopped.
Close your eyes.
In your head, darling. Do you feel my heartbeat? You ain't just a man. You understand? Do you feel the same? I got birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy New Year! Salud! Hey!
Let me sit my stupid ass down. Bro!
Alon! Hi, Anna. Pag nasa door tayo, pwede mo nang ilagay sa doors.
Beauty pie.
Conscious kaloy ako sa...
Paano ito? Ayan. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Wow. Okay, go. Happy birthday to you.
For here, technically, I'm okay with everything because I don't have a shelter pa. Wow! Oh my god! Oh my god! Is it a cute one? Oh, my god, I can feel it!
Authentic pasta siya.
Kasi din ako, so I can share. So, malaki.
Yay! So pretty!
Hanapata siya ng place na pupuntahan. Parang basta may nangyari na
By mga around 2 pa lang or 3, wala na daw.
Kaka-pretty naman! Doon ako na...
Ang laki ng elevator namin.
So big, it's so spacious.
Petite, it's for the petite people. Making
Taho!
Sorry na, wala akong bote. Tapos yung, syempre yung taho. Tapos yung sago.
Yeah.
And for the authentic experience.
Habang may hawak na. Habang may hawak na ako. Even ako
Masarap, masarap.
So,
Kulang na.
more pa.
Filipino. Ay, Filipinoy? Kumusta?
Yeah.